Now, the second process in project integration management, that is develop project management plan. Let's talk about it. First, overview. Develop project management plan is the process of defining, preparing, and coordinating all the components and consolidating them into an integrated project management plan. The key benefits. The key benefit of this process is the production of comprehensive document that defines the basis of all project work and how the work will be performed. When is this performed? This process is performed once or at predefined points in the project. Now, let's get into a little more details. The project management plan defines how the project is executed, monitored and controlled, and closed. The content of the project management plan varies depending on the application area and complexity of the project. Of course, project management plan is not a single document, it's a collection of multiple plans and documents. Those component plan will be described to the extent that is required by the specific project. The project management plan can be at summary level or detailed. The project management plan is progressively elaborated, so the project management plan should be robust enough to respond to the ever-changing project environment. The project management plan should be baseline, that is, it is necessary to define the project reference for scope, time, and cost, so that during project execution, the project performance can be measured and compared to those baseline performance. This is done to understand how well the project is progressing with respect to the plan. Until the baselines are defined, the project management plan may be updated as many times as necessary. No need to follow the change control process to implement the changes. But once it's baselined, the changes can be implemented only through perform integrated change control process. If the project belongs to a program or a portfolio, then it should be consistent with the program or portfolio management plan. For example, if the program management plan indicates all the changes exceeding a specific cost need to be reviewed by the change control board, then this process and cost threshold need to be defined in the project management plan. All right, that's a quick overview. Let's jump into the ITTOs. Let's quickly glance through the inputs. The first one is project charter and the second one is output from other process. So here, unless we know what are the outputs from other process, we may not be able to understand this process. So it's time to jump into other knowledge area. After having a detailed discussion about each knowledge area, we will come back to project integration. In fact, we will come back to this very same develop project management process.